we're learning that federal immigration agents detained at least 4 undocumented immigrants at the San Francisco Immigration Courthouse today. This happened while they were appearing in court for scheduled hearings. KTVU's Crystal Bailey joining us now live from downtown San Francisco. And Crystal, you witnessed one of these arrests.
Heather, that's right. Just outside the courthouse, we saw what appeared to be plainclothes immigration officers taking a man into custody and loading him up into an unmarked white van. And attorneys here say that was just one of 4 people arrested today. A man in handcuffs being loaded into an unmarked white van. The man, attorneys with the Bar Association of San Francisco say, was an immigrant applying for asylum, and he's not the only one leaving the courtroom in custody.
These are ICE officers coming to the court to arrest and detain individuals who are here following the law, trying to proceed with their asylum application.
In video obtained by the San Francisco Standard, another man is seen being taken away in handcuffs. Millie Atkinson is one of the attorneys who represents people before the immigration court. Atkinson says this is unprecedented.
We've never seen anything like this before, and it's really scary for people to know that, they came here fleeing violence and persecution in their home countries from authoritarian governments.
The Department of Homeland Security says anyone who entered the country illegally within the past 2 years is subject for expedited removal. A spokesperson with DHS tells us in a statement, Secretary Noem is reversing Biden's catch and release policy that allowed millions of unvetted illegal aliens to be let loose on American streets. This administration is once again implementing the rule of law.
So the government is trying to create new rules and a new process for removing people without giving them the opportunity to go before a judge.
We learned many people did not show up for their hearings on Tuesday following the news, but advocates say undocumented immigrants should still appear and say it gives them the best chance to be granted asylum.
They put themselves at greater risk for deportation because if you don't attend your hearing, you're basically abandoning your claim for asylum.
And DHS did not release any information as to where those people will be held tonight. We did reach out to the mayor's office, and they did not respond for comment at this time. But attorneys tell us that the city really cannot do much because these are, of course, federal agents and dealing with federal law enforcement agency. Heather?
Yeah, even though San Francisco and other municipalities are sanctuary cities, that does not prohibit for federal agents from coming in and doing their job, right?
I'm sorry, I couldn't hear your question there. The wind was quite loud. Heather, can you repeat yourself?
I was just clarifying that despite San Francisco being a sanctuary city, there really isn't much that officials can do when confronting federal agents.
Yeah, and it does sound that this is very rare. These people were coming here asking for asylum and according to the attorney, did not have criminal history here in the city. So this is one of those scenarios where the city really does not have as much jurisdiction as those federal agents.
All right. Our Crystal Bailey reporting live for us there in San Francisco. Crystal, thank you.